Hey guys, Ariel Patrice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. So glad you're here. And if you're returning, thanks for staying. So this look is just a going out look. Um, when I go out, I like to wear a lot of dark colors. I don't know why, it's just what I prefer. So I did this look. And so I'll insert some pictures at the end so you can see how it looks on camera and show that it's not too bright, not too heavy, doesn't look ridiculous on camera. But if you like this look, then just continue to watch and we will see you here in a second. So for this look, we're going to be using a few OG products and we're going to be using a few products that I haven't brought onto this channel yet. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do is start with a makeup wipe, my Neutrogena makeup wipe, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe that all over my face to kind of get it clean before we start. Okay guys, and then next I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy mattifier. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to go in with a product that I haven't used on this channel, and this is my Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse, and this is in the color Dark Cocoa. And this is the color it looks like on the inside. Next, I'm going to use my AU Naturel, and this is the concealer, and this is in the color Baja. And like always, just blend, blend, blend. And what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to set this with my IQ Naturals setting veil. This is a white setting powder, and it looks like this. And I'm going to set that with this brush all over my face. Then while this is baking, I'm going to go in for the contour, not with the liquid, just with the powder with my Fit Me Dark, the loose powder that y'all seen before. I'm going to go ahead and hit those high cheeks, forehead, bottom, and all of that. I'm going in with my eyeshadow, and this is the 35B Stunning Vibes. And y'all, I am such a freaking idiot. Like, I didn't realize, I guess because I always hold it like this, I've been saying that there's no names, but surprise, there is. So here we go. And so today what I'm going to use is the Addicted, which is this color. And then I'm going to also use the Bad Boy, which is right below it. No, you know what? I think I'm going to use Addicted, Little Black Book, and then a touch of Private Party. So this one, and this one. And we'll start off with the Addicted, and we'll put that on the upper parts with my Morphe brush. Oh, I forgot to mention, because this is a going out look, these are darker colors, so I'm being bolder because I wanted to just stand out more in those dark areas and scenes like that. Because, you know, like clubs or bars are a little bit darker, so you want the makeup to be a little bit darker. And then right after that, I'm going to go in with Little Black Book, and that's going to go, same brush, and that's going to go on the corners, and I'm going to do a light hand because these are pretty pigmented, so about that much. Blow, and then start going in from the outside and blend in. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, so we're going to go ahead and do some blending before we add the other part. And so I'm just going to rub this brush off, kind of get some of that black off. because this is going to be used for my other color. And so right now, I'll use another brush to kind of just blend in. Now I've kind of cleaned up with my fingers, and so now I'm going to go in with that Private Party. This one right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit that on the middle. And you know what? I've decided I'm going to add another color, so I'm going to use Triced, and that's this color right here. And I'm going to hit that kind of light on the top part of my eyelids. Okay, and so after that, then I'm going to go ahead and brush off this excess on my face from the bake. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that with just this brush that I always use it for. Next, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild black eyeliner, and this is going to go at the bottom of this is for my bottom eyeliner. And then right after the bottom of my eyeliner, I'm going to go in at the top with my Kat Von D. And this is all types of messed up now, but it's my Kat Von D one. And the tip looks like that. After I'm finished with my eyeliner, then I go in with my Organic Wear mascara, which looks like this. I think it's a pretty bottle, so. And I'll hit this with the top and the bottom eyelashes. Second to last thing that I will do, or I guess second to third thing, including the mist, is eyebrows. And so this is the Aesthetica, like I always use for the eyebrows, and this is in the color black. But before I do that, I'll go ahead and just use my double-ended Morphe brush, and I'll go ahead and just kind of push my eyebrows in the direction they need to go. And now that that's done, I'm going to use a darker color, but this is actually Burt's Bees. And so funny trick is this is a very dark color, which I love, but it also keeps my lips moisturized. Sometimes like the matte lipsticks or lip balms, they kind of feel drying to the lips, or even lip pencils. And so what I like about this is that it keeps my lips moisturized and I don't feel like they're gonna crack at any moment. So this is the Burt's Bees, and this is in the color Orchid Ocean, and it looks like this. I feel like I should add a little bit more to the eye, so I'm just going to add some color to the crease, and so I'm going to use Lust, right, this color right here, and I'm going to use that in the creases of my eyes. Okay, I don't feel like that is light enough, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with Shameless, which is this color right here. Okay, we'll leave it there. And then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and just set with the Morphe Setting Mist. Gosh, guys, I forgot one of the most important parts. Highlighter. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot that. And so we're going to go ahead and use that Pure highlighter, and we're going to use this color right here in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and grab the fan, and we are going to hit the cheeks, and then a little bit on the nose, and a little bit above the lip. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more misty spray. So yeah, guys, that was the look. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned some things. If not, I at least hope that you enjoyed watching the video. If you want to see more of these looks, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I'm just so happy to be on this journey with you. I really appreciate y'all watching my videos and all of that. It really means a lot to me, especially when I'm just having a good time. So I really appreciate it. And if there's anything that y'all want to see, just let me know, and I'll do my best to try to get it for you. This is Ariel Patrice again, and I will see y'all later. Bye.